Good morning. Today we're going to look at Inq-ITS basic tutorial. So we start off with a goal. So determine how the red dye in the water affects the redness of the petals. So students are expected to form their hypothesis, and we scaffold that. So students can say, if I increase the red dye in the water, then the redness of the petals will increase. So here we have our hypothesis, and we can move forward. Here, now we have our goal, and we can see our hypothesis. We can run the trial. Notice this is the basic tutorial, so we have no quantitative data. We don't have lots of layers of these independent variables. We just have two. So we're keeping it really simple so we can see whether students understand how to run a controlled trial. And their investigation hopefully is well controlled as they're doing this. And then we're collecting data for them. And some teachers have students graph this data, look at their trials and graph the data. In this case, we're going to move forward. When I increased, so I'm going to form my claim now, when I increased the red dye in the water, the redness of the petals then increased. So red dye, no, I had 0, red dye, yes, I had 100. This supports my hypothesis, and I choose the trials that warrant my claim. So I'm going to move on. And then in this section, I would go ahead and type up my claim, type up my evidence and my reasoning. And we have a rubric on our website to help students do that. And at this point, we've completed the lab. So you can see that you can get started with this basic tutorial, have your students do this, get the assessment data on each of these phases, including having their claim, evidence, reasoning, writing automatically scored for you. In about 10 to 15 minutes, your students can move on and you can have all of that assessment data. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you will subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our other videos, and let us know if you have any questions about using Inq-ITS with your students.